Exercising before eating breakfast reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. According to a new study, exercising before eating breakfast reduces the risk of diseases like type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. The sugar levels in the body cannot be decreased by doing exercise after having breakfast. According to the researchers, when we eat in relation to the timing of the exercise, particularly moderate intensity exercises such as cycling and jogging and not high intensity exercise or weightlifting, makes a difference in the insulin response in our body. The increase in fat burning during exercise might be a reason behind the improved health benefits. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel